All right, you guys, we are here with Noah Friedman, who you're probably about to see. We're about to film a podcast at an undisclosed secret office location. This video, while recording this, I don't know what it's going to be on yet, but we're going to find something entertaining or educational for you guys to make it well worth the watch into the podcast. I'm about to teach you how to get a closing roll right now.
Yeah, please do. Or the whole purpose of the podcast is anybody in the high ticket space, whether you're an agency owner, high ticket closer, whatever you do, to provide value to you in some capacity. So like we have agency owners come on, we have like sales reps come on, we have like high performance sales reps, but it's just like, what do you feel the most qualified to add value on, like the topic? Like would it be like recruiting, like finding a sales role, just like high ticket sales in general? Like, well, like
Fucking getting shit done. Just making it happen, to be honest. Like whatever I gotta be, that's what I'm gonna be. Whether it's a salesperson,
I will talk operations
hiring
today.
manager, operations, yeah.
We'll talk ops today, then we'll talk about
content person.
We'll talk media buying.
We should just talk about figuring it the fuck out, because that's what it takes.
Agency client here shortly. Actually, we need some water quick before we start. I lost my voice after this week.
Yeah. Wait, we should get a clip of our friendship bracelets.
Oh, look how cute you
That's
are.
not really what they are, but when we were in Japan.
I was getting mine, and Dylan was like, bro,
hold
I got
on.
yeah,
Hold on, don't take over the story right now. I got this bracelet from this street vendor, jeweler guy, and Noah was like, that's a great idea. Let me get the girl version. So
yeah, that's crazy.
That's what he did.
Bro, I already got that chain. My chain already matches your.
Oh, you took the thing off?
The what?
Is that the one?
No. This is a V2 Tokyo.
We got
if you know, you know.
We got chains too. Yeah.
Nah, I've had. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah. V2 Tokyo gang. If you know, you know. And if you know, you probably pockets are hurting.
Which side do you want?
Wait, what's your good side, bro?
I don't know what my good side
They're
is.
both.
You're like, hey, you tell me, right?
They're both fantastic.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always try to like talk into the mic.
Cool.
Boom, like that.
Can we do an open mouth thumbnail for this one? Can I get maybe I'll make it with ChatGPT. Just need like a Mr. Beast open mouth thumbnail on it. Exactly. Where's Bargot, dude?
Yeah, Tony.
Yeah, where is Bargov?
I didn't
Perfect.
get the co-host with us.
Yeah, no, dude, no.
He was busy.
You're
He had
one
better
more kind of
things.
guy.
So let's do a quick audio test with both of you, and then we are ready to rock. So I'll start with you, Dylan.
All right, here we are. Low Ticket Podcast.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Perfect.
Yap, 1, 2, 3. Yap, 1, 2, 3.
Yapper.
Professional.
Professional yapper right now. Let's get it. Go. All right. Whenever you guys are ready.
What's up, everybody? Joined here today by Dylan Vergara here on the High Ticket Podcast. Dylan is my best friend ever. We actually have matching friendship bracelets, so if you can show yours to the camera. Thank you. But yeah, Dylan, we're joined here by Dylan. Dylan has a lot of impressive experience in the high ticket sales space as well as the agency space. Has done some pretty cool things, like actually exiting out of a agency style business, and on top of that, is now doing some really cool stuff in the sales space. So Dylan, I'll give you a second here to go ahead and intro yourself before we just start yapping. And this is also my boy Silly Dilly. So Silly Dilly, let's take it away.
Let's go. Happy to be on the Low Ticket Podcast today. High
That's
Ticket
crazy.
Podcast. For you guys watching, it's the High Ticket Podcast. But yeah, I'm Dylan. Met Noah a year and a half ago maybe after moving to Austin.
On today's episode, what I want to really do is just dive into like just really about your experience in high ticket, how you got into the high ticket sales space, and like I know you transitioned from door to door, doing roofing and stuff like that. So what was that transition like from going from like door to door? What kind of got you in a high ticket? What attracted you to it? How did you get educated on high ticket, and how did your career start through that?
I was naturally not a salesperson. Like I was very introverted to myself, independent, and I just wanted to straight up make more money without sacrificing some things that I had to sacrifice with roofing.
Like in terms of like standing out now in high ticket, because like everyone, you know, they'll invest in, I don't need to drop names here, but all like the top coaching programs or high ticket sales coaching offers and stuff like that to break into high ticket sales. What would you say is like the number one thing that you need to do as a high ticket sales rep to not only stand out, but actually find and land those positions, especially where they are so competitive and they go quickly?
Well, not to like sell a community or anything, but like just being connected to other people who have access to those roles that can intro you or share open roles before thousands of other people see them. Like being fast is quite literally the biggest needle mover, because if you look at it from the perspective of a funnel, I've like drawn this out, and timing is the very first thing in the funnel, and if you don't have the timing down, you're cooked. Like because if you're last, it's probably likely they're already speaking to one person or some people that they like. So getting connected around the right people so you can get access to these opportunities before most people see them, and then Also, the bar, because of all the noise in this space now, I feel like the bar has been set really low. It's been sold as a opportunity to make a lot of money doing a little bit of work. And so if you can just show up and have a better work ethic than most people, or just be a professional, which most of these kids aren't being, you'll have a pretty good shot. Like it's not rocket science. It's getting a sales job. It's, in my opinion, the easiest like online business because there's no startup capital, no other skills needed besides just selling. You sell yourself on the interview and then you sell once you're in the job. There's no fulfillment, there's no client communication. Like, it's a sales job. It's pretty black and white.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be seeing how dude, I haven't done that in a long time. It's been about a year since I've done that. Your vibe is so different though. Your vibe is like just chilling. My vibe is like
different. You
my
make
vibe
it
is-
echo in here. Actually, it's pretty quiet in here. Well, you guys, this is Tim. He's showing us a cool office spot.
Yes.
We're looking for some space, and we wanted to show you his Cybertruck.
Cybertruck, gold Cybertruck. They came out in silver, so I was like, why don't I wrap it gold? Super cool.
Yeah.
I just drove into Dallas yesterday, so the outside is a little dirty. We drove through almost a tornado yesterday, bro.
I
It was
saw on
nuts.
on
It
the
was
story.
nuts. They were like, seek shelter now.
You went to Buc-ee's.
Yeah, I went to Buc-ee's. The Cybertruck held up. But yeah, this is the whip right here.
Oh yeah.
I bought it before all the political stuff went down though, and now I
Yeah.
get flicked off every single day.
Yeah, you gotta
Method.
put a magnet on there that says like I bought it before. That's what
Right.
people are doing. I saw a Tesla.
Oh, that's the lock sound.
Oh
That's
shit.
You
crazy.
thought it was gonna explode, didn't you?
Yeah, for
I
real.
saw a Tesla where like someone took off the badge and they put like a Honda badge.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, Tim is the TikTok shop king. Legit
Now,
Tim.
now, I was doing YouTube for 10 years. We had the Sneaker Hypebeast channel, very much entertainment, very like Mr. Beastish, and found TikTok shop last year. Ended up doing it for the entire year, scaled that up, and now we have an agency that we're running. So
Cool.
that's where we're at.
Yeah. So quick intro on Tim. He's gonna show us around some more, but let's go check it out.
Let's do it. Filming areas. I'll come out here, film, take meetings.
Are these all condos?
Yeah, all those condos.
Quiet. I like it.
Now we did build out on this. This can get taken out easily, but this was essentially going to be like our live stream studio for shop. So they were just going to like go live. We're going to put like the brand's logo behind, all that, and that's what we're going to use this for. Then nice little seat area. When these are gone, this whole room is just huge.
Yeah.
Like it's massive. This is it was my office, so this room's super cool.
Dude, it's like
Yeah.
it's like an office and a living space.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. Restroom comes with the shower as well. So all this is
Hell yeah. Straight from the desk to the shower right here.
go upstairs. So we're converting downstairs is going to be our live streaming. Upstairs we want it to be more of like a house. So it's more organic when we make the TikToks.
It's Tequila Thursday.
But this is super. Wow. My plan had failed on the TV. Favorite YouTuber right here.
Let's go.
But it switched.
That's funny.
Yeah, so this was just like really our meeting place. Like if we needed to have meetings or whatever, this is where we'd come. The girls would film in the kitchen if we needed like, you know, food and beverage products. Everything is all supplemented up from TikTok Shop. So this is what we use for like storing all of our samples. And then over here, this was our bedroom set. So we'd use this as a super organic women's bedroom set so they can promote products. So this is a whole nother room in itself. And then this one comes with, you got like a little work area space over here. You got the closet and then you got a full bathroom with a shower.
We have like a good handful that are interested.
I might start filming, I guess. I don't know.
Maybe like 4 to 6, but I know a lot of these guys, like including myself, we kind of want like a private space that we could like talk, you know, take calls and that kind of thing.
Right.
So like there's
I mean,
one there.
Also, I feel like building out is not out of the question too. Like what we did,
Yeah.
as long as it's not like permanent.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? Y'all checked out any other spots yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I ran like kind of like a little poll with people I know, and then people were like, yeah, I'm interested. Some
Yeah.
were more interested than others, but
Right.
like I don't think it's the fact that these guys don't want to like spend, but if they spend, they want like what they
Right,
want, which is
right.
kind of private space. So I'm kind of envisioning like that could be a private space
Right.
where your stuff is private.
Yeah.
This could be turned into like semi-private. kinda.
Right. Yeah, they have a lot. It, like I didn't even show you, but there's one hallway. I forgot what floor it's on, but it has like 5 private rooms with like the whiteboard and like the TVs and like conference rooms.
Shit, that would be cool to see, honestly. If
I
you
mean,
know where it
we
is.
could try to go find it.
Yeah, if you know where it is.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Conference room.
Oh yeah, dude.
Look at we work.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, where's the coffee machine?
So then, like, nobody's been here, so it's just like.
That's
I'm
all.
assuming this is the same thing. Yeah, room number 3.
Oh yeah, dude.
And I haven't seen anybody use these ever.
Sick. Cool.
So yeah, I guess on every floor you pretty much have a different like private room.
I'm gonna have to make a pitch deck for everybody.
Wait,
Should
it
I-
says that there's another one.
This is what we get.
Right. Hold on.
You guys saw us in the podcast studio with Noah, and then you saw us with Tim looking at his office he's looking to sublease. For like the last year, I've really wanted to get an office, and seeing this stuff is making me want to do it even more. It's just hard to find one that is like in a good location in Austin, people would actually want to come to, and we have the space for that. So kind of looking through that right now. We actually have a group of like, so I don't know, like 3, 4, 5 high-level guys that are down for this. So take you guys along as we try to figure that out. The main thing is, because with this new business, because of sales, I want to have a studio space and a place to host people, and the office would allow us to do that. Same with the community stuff. So speaking of because of sales, I'm over here cooking with ChatGPT and Canva some ads. I have 2 windows of ChatGPT image generation up at the same time, and I'm like cutting and pasting like a little scrapbook. These are pretty good. I think these are gonna work. I run these to get subscribers. These are different style. Anyways, what you can do with the image generation, guys, you get the right prompts, is crazy. The only other thing I really wanted to talk about is the Because of Sales newsletter podcast. We just recorded the one with John Mao. That's out now. It's already got like 900 views, and the channel has like 60 subscribers. So go watch that. John Mao is a really, really, really sharp dude, or who I've gotten to know over the last 6 months. Probably like a week and a half from now, or 2 weeks, is going to be that podcast with Noah, the low ticket podcast. Just kidding. The high ticket podcast. That's a little joke. It's going to be good. Stay on the lookout for that. I'll post it on Instagram and X and all that. The last thing is just kind of talking about the direction of the channel. So I want to document building the new business Because of Sales and the community that I've been building. So on Sundays, it's going to be always more lifestyle videos like this, behind the scenes, going around with the camera. On Wednesdays is going to be more sitting at the computer, whether it's Loom or Riverside, just like strategic how-to strategy type thing. So depending on what type of content you like, we have a little bit of both. Just know Sundays is more fun, relax. Wednesdays is more dial in and get shit done. The last thing right here, I want to highlight this. So every single month, we write how many jobs went through our community. In March, we hired someone to help with this. In April 2025, we posted 215 jobs, 5 people joined. That's 43 jobs per person. We posted 1,400 jobs in the community since starting. That number should only stay there or go up, hopefully. And if you're in the remote sales space, remote 1099 space, or you want to be, your bottleneck is in sales training. I've said it a million times. It's getting in front of quality jobs and then actually being considered, which we help you do. So anyways, guys, wrap up this video. Talked a little bit about both businesses. Hopefully get an office here soon. And you guys let us know down below what you want to see. We'll start filming, and we'll see you in the next one.